money mistake?
Biggest money mistake, ah?
Same questions
Wow,
lang. Whatever I ask you, you will answer both.
Oh. Investing in stocks.
Invest. Hi guys, we just finished Icon 2018 and I'm with Carl D and I'm with Jayson Lo. This is the first time that we're... And who are you? Who are you?
Gabi Lo.
Alexa Lo. Say hi, Alexa. You have a lot of money. You have a rich dad. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. This is our first video. This is the first video that I'm doing. Carl D
And Jayson
Lo, who's so busy right now. Personal questions, Carl.
Question, Marvin, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
It's a long day, ah.
Oh,
lots of learning,
how's your
lots of
dog? How's your
speaker.
dog? How's your dog?
Very good, very good. So lots of learning today. Rex, Mendoza, Dodong, Randall, Marvin, Jai Ferrer,
Denise Cacanando,
Denise
Marilyn
Cacanando,
Faustino Montenegro.
blockchain, cryptocurrency, so much information in just one day. So for those who missed it, sayang, catch the next one.
Okay, Carl, question.
Yes, question, finance question.
Biggest money mistake mo, Carl? Ay, si Jayson, grabe. Biggest money mistake?
Biggest money mistake, ah?
Same questions
Wow,
lang. Whatever I ask you, you will answer both.
Oh. Investing in stocks.
Invest. Bakit?
Cut. Live ba to? Live
Bro,
ba?
unedited.
Well,
Why?
because when I entered stocks a few years
You
back,
got stuck.
I was not educated and I did not have the stock market behavior and mindset.
You're not friends with Marvin yet,
I
in
was
other
not
words.
stock smart. I was very short-term mindset. I wanted to make money short, so I ended up losing money.
Okay, ikaw, Jayson.
Jayson Lo.
Biggest money mistake.
Yeah, I think Carl mentioned it as it's like never investing in something you don't understand.
Okay.
So since you're an expert in real estate, so me, I did my business all for the wrong reasons. It was all profit driven. I want to earn. I want to have this perception of having prestige in terms of having business success, and that's the reason why I have that my biggest money mistake.
Parang ano ba yan? You said, don't invest in something you don't understand. So, pag wala ka lang sa love, huwag mo na subukan din.
Pwede.
Okay.
Wait, kakasulat ko na ng love book, ha?
Oh,
yeah.
Link below on how
Uniquely in love.
Okay. The link will be below on how you can order the book. Now, if you have 5 million pesos extra, will you buy a condo or will you buy a car?
Definitely a condo. Because I'm a property guy,
Okay.
and I will use the profits from the rental to pay the installment for the car. So
Wow.
I get both.
Ang galing.
Yeah.
That's why you make the big bucks eh.
Cash flow is always, cash flow is king.
From the guy with cash flow to the guy who earns most from talks.
Yes. Ano yung question?
Marshall,
Nalimutan ko.
if you have 5 million pesos extra on top of everything, would you buy, say, Mercedes-Benz or a condo worth 5 million?
No,
One bed
I
studio
will
condo.
call Carl what is a good property to invest in, and I will
Okay.
ask Marvin, what's a good stock to invest
So you
in?
will invest it.
Of course!
Talaga?
Why would I buy a BMW?
Kahit extra na siya.
Extra!
Extra na talaga. Totally extra. Above and beyond your budget, above and beyond your investments.
Okay.
Yun.
Well,
If it's an extra, I would buy a Lexus.
And don't you have a Lexus already?
ano ba daw? Free ano?
Free.
Shameless plugging.
Shameless plug, huh? Yeah. I think that's the problem of Marvin right now, no?
No,
He has 5 million, he's thinking what to do.
Yeah, I can't wrap my head around it because it's a Marvin problem
No.
now.
I want to. That's why we have this video. I want people to explore your world, the world of lots of money. Lalo na to.
No. Well, a car is really, it's not an asset. It depreciates. It loses value. So it just gives you ROE. You know what's ROE?
Return on enjoyment.
Return on enjoyment. Yes. And
Ito ba? Tama, hinala ko lang.
return on ego.
Return on ego.
Ano?
Ayun!
Oh,
The man of the hour.
The guy who has a lot of the most money.
Yes.
If you have
Si Carl.
If you have 5 million pesos, will you buy extra on top of your investments? Will you buy a car or will you buy a studio condo?
Ano ba? Stock.
Para dumaan. Okay. May
So,
questions ba kayo sa akin? May question naman, kailangan natin pabutin yung video ng 7 minutes at least.
Okay, question.
Oh.
Jayson Lo.
Same.
Marvin,
What will you do?
I'll buy a car.
If you had 5 million right now excess and
Okay,
you don't want to
excess?
invest it, where are you going to spend
Pero
it?
bago niya sagutin yun, question muna, how can he look as good as you?
Yun.
You don't have to because you're naturally like that already. So
So inamin mo na you look good, ha? Come on.
Ako, I try to eh. Ikaw, that's who you are na eh. That's what's amazing about that.
Next book by Marvin, Art of Flattery.
Art of Flattery.
Wait for it.
Okay. Another, sinagot mo, I'll buy ano? I don't know, I'll probably...
No investment, pure expense. Where will you spend 5 million?
I'll travel.
Travel.
I'll just travel. I like to travel.
First class, ha? First class.
Pwedeng ano, or longer na travel on further places. So,
Yeah.
matagal ka na bago umuwi. Parang ganun.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, right.
That's it, diba? Wala na ba?
Yeah. Follow video after we get
So
our 5 million.
let's do a
We'll see you
talk
again.
together, ha?
Last na lang. These two are authors. What does it take to
My
start
kids.
to write a book and be profitable about it also?
I think first of all is you find your topic, you find your niche, you find something that you're really interested and passionate about, then you can develop it into a book.
Jason, by the way, Jason launched a new book, no? Best-selling author. I would not have a book kundi dahil sa kanya. He's the go-to guy pagdating sa publishing houses, how to actually not just write a book but actually monetize it and also
Ito ang
find a
idol,
way
monetizing the books.
No,
You are our benchmark.
No,
Yun.
Pero tsaka gusto ko to, no? Katabi ko kayo, pumapayat ako lalo.
Halika na, alis na tayo.
Joke lang. Okay.
I guess it's treating it like a business. So if there's an entrepreneur, you can be an ano yung tawag doon? Entrepreneur. Meron pang isang term doon eh.
Edutainment.
No. So in a sense, you should treat it as a business. It's not just something that you write and you distribute, but it's something that you can create and monetize and build something around. But make sure that you're doing it for the right reasons.
Okay, last na lang. You can answer this very, very quick. Definition of wealth.
Wealth is having the freedom to do what is important to you. You don't have to be stuck in the office working so hard where you forget about your family.
Do you have that already?
That's the
Of
goal.
course.
That's the life goal. Ika nga ni
nakasagot,
Rex
ha?
Mendoza, that's the life goal. You make money work for you and not you working for the money, so you can spend more time with your family, being a blessing to others.
Alright, lastly.
That's a politically right answer, okay, from Carl, because he has achieved it already.
What is wealth for you?
Sa akin, wealth is having more than enough so that you can be a blessing to others. And the secret to living is actually being able to. The secret to living is giving and be more generous because you want to be a blessing to others.
Alright.
See
Amazing,
you.
no? Very, very light questions from
Just finish Icon.
from the real estate expert and the unique, this personality, career guru, speaker extraordinaire, Jayson Lo. So if you want to know more about them, I'll put the link below so
Yes.
you get to see their expertise as well. So I guess that's it. 7 minutes na. Napakabot na 7 minutes.
Great.
Yeah, bye-bye everyone.
Bye.
Galing mo.